hano adwuma be very expensive. As if say a nipa na was all for mbebo omo ba ohun adwen pa omo timide support nti wo no a waye adwuma no ewo nimde ewo adwene ewo suahunu a wodi ye obi bia no one burden be sa down so eti so wo ye adwuma this time na se wanya wadwen se bia okofa expert
Akoma FM 87.9
na se wan kasa so utikuro ma ye adwuma na wafa ye nia e wa ye adwuma na it's very expensive. Just expensive and say unye nipa obetima hwese adwuma no de hye ne nsa pa na even ukodi baby 1 week kura na obetima support adwuma ona edu tama e was a timi ne say me dey make can say ya Asante region or say timi ne MPs na omo Asante region both NDC ne MPP for ni nyina hia na ehu kwan a ye be fa so a ye betima ye neema acheche Asante man because there are certain things that never be touched.
87.9 Kumasi.
Touch ma sabi enipa bebre na say politicians no mun ni man ka ye na betima mo hu neema also mo ye na betima boa ama Asante man na say Ghana man no ayi but omo fa ye nyehwe eti de ehia ne say omo be ye omo campaign no mo ya ye be ba na so na omo abetie wasem na wasem na oka ono anim say wasem kura wo ka kire na the campaign time no on fanya adwuma nti obeye na adwen so on de oba be da wa no wakasa no onya power no ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Nti nano ayi meetings amoye say both MPP and DC nyina afrem
one
me ka campaign time
na say campaign time na me ka say omo nyina de ombeba
nti after no
by Drew baby o say me ani bre na ye na ya Asante regional businessman e wo kuro ma na sebi kuro no esi e na so na e betima ka bibia me na ye o say ti tesukoko wo mo so ye na o mo hia ye hu ye nsempa o say na o mo ka so ba nya sa no dia
Akoma
Asante na
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
development o kuro mo kachi and so sabin ke kutabo means on the be have catch us or say Asante ma ye ton ye vote e de je ajapade da bia me kan sa say
I say ye ton
ye vote and yes
ye de sika e de abese butu
ye conditions ye more conditions are there we ne no aye nke no akona na ho agreement ye be ye bia na de ne sa hye into one ya so be sa apre next time into one we as a party no kura no mabiem ko Asante region ye kuta votes a say ye adwen say de ma wa no matter what is so to say the president so ade ne emphasize ade ne nyadwuma ye modu but ye ma ne nyadwuma it aye bibi ti say party no de obia na koma ne say ne party no say ye boni o say nye na koma ne party but say preduasa depending for the council ese kwase ya na nsesa na dwen me na nanso na to na kura sedin o se kwase ya nyam da entu de bia na obi abeda da na waje ade ho
kwase ya nyam da okay kwase ya nyam da
eyekro me na kura sedin
oh I see
one na wo fa asefo
87.9 Kumasi
na omo wie na me na instead say obemo nko omo nim so of be wa media de nti nko mu de omo of achi afi wo fa koye last koko omo se mofra mfa dwene so ja say wo se mofra mfa dwene se mofra na modi mo of achi na mo mfa dwene na me na baako ekote no ho no kodo no koko no say yawo se di ofa aka kire ne ye mfa dwene ne enso enko o se ye mfa dwene o ne enko ye de entimi de ameko ya bo ache say wo de ekonam de ofa be wa media de ofa be wa media je ofa wu ye no de amanema ya kokum kanso akoye ne de koye ne de no so to de kura na sidin kwasea enyem da de nye da na obedi no ofa chi ama no ofa hu se wo so ye nyansafo it is in wo nyansa no akoye ne de onye kwasea de it is sometimes you do baby a sad ni pause ye dwene o ye hu no say wo de o ye den a ye ka kire wo say Obibini ye catch us say ye MPP ni na ye NDC ni wo de wo da heart bibia sawadwe sa wo ye boni o say de but ye won say on man no ye na team o say bibia na say de si pe produce standard bibia no
87.9
ye prenia e je basa na say bia ade no nko na wo kopɛ say na kekuro no do bia pɛ do no oba na obetena say de odwene de opɛ di no a ɛno nko na obɛpɛ na amakuro na ye sa no because obi obɛba bia no de opɛ di ene eti o say ye ma ye mu ye du na ye hu kwan e be fa so a ye both parties no both NDC MPs no any NDC MP NDC MPs ye no be share ye hu kwan e be fa so ni kuro na kachi
your next CEO at the Obibini Blackman Company Limited and Edin Komana no pay na I say no investment in industries near in the region man. Mami Musa said, "Oh, based on your current position, Ashanti region, any production, whatever way, what drew stage a 24-hour economy? Kabiti maye."
Sir John, it's a good question. 24-hour economy no all kind of cry a basic near my baby. And yet idea back when a bit in the agents to say, oh yeah, 24-hour economy. No crew woman say, so you production
87.9
demand and all your higher untimia. And you'll be never catch us a 24-hour economy.
Okay.
Now your production as a production, oh yeah, not when you paper time. How can you do the 24-hour economy?
That's true.
And it was structures and then near be also of the token. And yet 24-hour economy, they say, wait, my sorry, I say we have 24-hour economy without getting anything. What I say? It will not quite.
I mean, maybe can say, oh, baby, what drew no?
Oh, baby, I may do dear. Son, I may just say, meet say, and a quine I make an in a bin I may pay jaba.
Okay.
And I mean, fans, see, I trans, I can say, some make a light and
yeah,
and then so we production. That's a light on. Then fans say me area on. A free 7 corner. One we are just doing more machines because light and unya a friend say engineer Munkania na bit me the year you free 7 up to sad a big air corner so we 24 hours. It be a main fans all running 6 to 6. Obeya pa e be a 6 to 6. Maybe almost or more every night and statistics. Into free a be a 6 up to bear and a Jordan sa could do better. Untimenya light because light and power and yeah papa. It's because of any pain I will feel untimenya light and Casanfanya. Then one of the factors. When it comes to 24-hour economy, it's a very good idea. But almost check on the first on bit my especially the light system. Say light no ubenya ho enyina munkane no na otimdi aye adwuma na mena ye and the other factors also ebia sales and whatever depend adwuma na wo ye no say we demand and also be say we wait my ye be say abane support to say ebia wa we wait my ye 24 hours ebia wo nipa we demand
Akoma FM 87.9
so electricity high bit my edge na buying support to say ebi kra na or my police a guide or ye ne near ma bit their support. It's very good idea. And all the
I think bit me aye.
Oh yeah, and I'm ning na say so mo wa dwen so mo concentrate bibi o maka say omo de nsese bi beto akoba ma na bo nipa. Say John bibi anywhere enye. Oh na edru ba bia ade ne we mu se betima ye o. Ba ya na menim say ye won kofo bi o hajake friends nipa dwuno ze den ye ma ade ne ye ka ye ntimi nya me I don't understand.
It be obi interest.
Yes. Oh, and I know ya na sometimes politicians no interest no ye more than o man chichi. The omu here no ye more than o man chichi. The omu peno ye more than a man chichi. On say in fact say President Mama or a very good listening government, but most of the time or you'll be only in the Dinko the Obe Cabiano or Father Yajuma. Yes, me because near my be brew menena didn't come one and then I can who say
or try so many.
Trust to say or the
Akoma FM 87.9.
Oh, very good. Otiasem ti send nipa na and call for na no mo ye adwuma no. Nipa on betima boa no. I think so betima ye bibi. Na leaders ne mum sa na ya na ebia obi ho wa adwempa. Ebia me mfa say another time no ni adwumbo no so be Ghana bone. But nipa wonya wo mu no eno ma anya adwuma.
Ene bia omona.
It is sometimes ya na bi ho leaders no wa adwempa but nipa na ono mo ye adwuma no obia ho ba bi ono so na adwen efa. It is no ma Ghana na nchechire no anya strong. Ejina hia so say sankofo both
87.9
ministers ne MPs omo Asante region ne ada ne o say ye hu kwan e be fa so aye na o be hia na yeso edin niam bi atoto akwema church omo niam bi a ebi omo ni ma so kra na omo so betima adwen aba so ne ye hu kwan e be fa so ne aban no edi ho nko.
I see. Na you say me today wo kan ase what try senka wa crown ube production 24/7 as in
me yeah eno dey
24 hour at the end crowd and ka wo ye dada
yeah me yeah
but can you ho asem na this year be challenge the amount
can you challenge into 24 hour economy no it's not about say bia wo do anu
87.9
structures ne nshasha ya wo de betoto enwo so okay ade we sebe sanye production nyina na ehia 24 hours what you say magazine for omote omo ye adwuma from anopa uko ebo sesi kra na akọ magazine so kota de kra unya bi obi bia se kra na so kọ magazine akoye bibia se wonti menye omo nyina so ye nipa omo ye adwuma pesca but they can also work for 24 hours and say se bia nka Ghana no sanete de aba kro no enye sanete ba bibia ye bia na efise betima ye nkakra me na ye enti media me hu no say niema betima ye whereby say bia ye den hyehyɛ papa atoto akwa
asi
ama niema
asi mame ntwa mo ho mratew na e bible for we tew ye twa ho aba na ye ba ya to aso
Blackman said, "We are there. Good and enough. A dangerous gamble. Why risk fire with inferior quality? Signal cables has been specially manufactured with 99.99% pure copper and into contractors who are see industrial buildings, commercial buildings, and inferior for. We can put signal cables and a demand. It's also not there. So with signal cable, you don't just plug in, you power up with confidence. Signal cables are the gold standard when it comes to electrical connectivity. Rupebiato Ghana Fanena Ubebiato Etufonko Joapo and the Foko Electricals are Omo Commercial Do Fail 0244 7284 33 and 0543 934550. Signal cables, Yayani, the nation's cable anchor.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Eba Clinic Accra. And you won't hear, passengers a gumi kaimi, a Hana do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put them at the mall. And near the Mwampa, the Sadia, Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Abasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Saro, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, you send the 2 months and 8 years cano. We connection and said, Uncle, ye, na a sakakra. Say what Pedium Mama, what you have them connection. What about the crow? Stroke so dear, what found small. Just say, I did the one who any dear Siano. Yaria Bia Tatia, and Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yaria Bia, who must say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, other PM, or Pokuase, Maira Quanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500 727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Midimba for Newa. Hanyakom, Abusapani Abekasa, a tituni Emano, a man, Mosumoka. Ebusua pani kasa.
Yo, abusua chia me bedase. Yendi hye ya yie. Se de be hye nyan munyam nti. Ye de ho contract nyina ahye God's Way Funeral Home fonsa.
God's Way Funeral Home nso de. Wo yi ye hu fia hu pa.
Ane, woton oman mu ni abrochire efundaka. Ededa efuru se de omanfo enyim di panabra na wote ase pepepe. Ambulance, ene car papa, wodi fefunu. Paul bearers, embrantia wo su efuru de maachie. Enhwen asiedie, efuru ntade. Local foreign nyina. Picture roller boards, video coverage. Beka jade. God's Way Funeral Home. Was sound system. Kete adwa live band. Wo catering services. Ennuani wo yiase. E wo asofo a wo ye wufusom. Wo MCs for occasion be event bia. God's Way Funeral Home there. Just everything under one roof.
Ebusua pani, we dey ntwaso biu. God's Way Funeral Home noa. Any the right company no. Na ye be hu won.
Owo kumasa safo leba. Kani koko board dan no enhwe animu hɔ a. Muduru a mumusa ankrato. Ana momfrɛ 0322 006 221. Ana 0243 73 74 57. Ana 0266 1946 78.
mpanimfoɔ se sɛ woma wo werɛ fi okurom hena bɛn a woyera wɔ dwabɔ ase ɛno nti na afi mu no nyinaa no yɛyi bosom yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa asi hɔ sɛ Ghana month ɛno ne yɛnam so ade sua yɛ amammerɛ yɛamanneɛ ne yɛabakɔsɛm ɛno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana month ne yɛse bɛka yɛn ho yɛn nyinaa yɛ mmom ne yɛni na ɛnyɛ fɛ bosom mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asantema Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛw na bosom mmiɛnsa ne da ɛtɔ so du mmiɛnsa ne du nan no Ghana yamamre eni abakosem ya yakeka bomu aboni friends documentary yebeyi edi akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Shanti yeka bom abodadata ewo cultural center na kasaku ahodo be sedu abehia mu probia kye na mamre ne kasa na duane ene na fade senia etie eno na yato di se cultural fest edano pani behwe enyina senketua we see Africa na manflo Akoma FM yagesi enasu sɛ wanfa ho amoye ne a unni ma ne nya ode Akoma FM yeso da Akoma so etini enkamom ne ni Ghana manti nyanya de na nya fe yaboafo a aso yasene ene medimafo herbal hospital wɔtwea herbal powder grow fine herbal tonic it makes you grow fine angel rock mixture ABA herbal clinic
Right, abusia my mama kwaba na yekan kane ahun nsɛm hia na utie doctor a ɔka ho asɛm yi ɛno nti na ɛyɛ ana cable nso a wɔde bɛgu down no so ho hia the signal cable ɛyɛ cable a ɛsɛ wɔdwa so friend the nations cable ɛyɛ African Diamond Cable Company Limited na akɔfa de aba emiti all the standards
obi wɔ hɔ a
yeah
yi ɔfa electrician ni no sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ adwuma wɔ ne fie no wɔde TV cable ɛna ama na air condition TV wɔde TV cable ama na air condition yes
bad
very bad na so wo yɛ tiase ewu
but mo dey say o de signal cable contractor no bɛyɛ adwuma no ɛyɛ bɛ nya ama no sɛ ugya ama ɔno nko a na sɛ ɔde asɛm ayɛ dɛ aba nti wo de ɛkɔtɔ bi ma no wa kɔgye fama no sami say na no me adwum so wa yɛ bibia kama ne ade so nti no ofrɛ Joe Apple ɛwɔ 0543 934550 0265 456055 Joe Apple ɛdeɛ no ɛna Fakua Ventures yɛ 0244 728433 0244 728433 frɛ no na ɛne no ɛni nkɔmɔ na bibia nkɔ so kama nti no ɛka yɛ Look, Senche, me we are na me de. Oh, I was say sim. Oh, what you man? Yeah. To we become we are nanka. Me de twaso na bibia e fanti.
So there. Ejuma my yen in fidia me bana me de join. Honestly say John. We are managers my ejuma. Obi en kan for me kra me am fidia. Already the new treatment water purification system. Okay. Say adwuma my imagine say be say me yenso a ebesa yare.
Yeah.
It me focus on it's quite different.
Yeah.
O say me ade am intimi compromise your quality. Yeah. Make good standard.
Yeah.
So we are na baabi anim deɛ ne baabi ayɛ adwuma no akyɛ no yɛne yɛpɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ ma nipa di akyi
Okay, adwuma deɛ sɛ adwuma ne kasa ma wo.
Woyɛ adeɛ nso ne sɛ nipa di akyi a ɛyɛ because na asɛ wakyerɛ kwampa no nti yɛn nyinaa yɛtumi yɛ adwuma no sɛ papa ɛyɛ sɛ bɛboa Ghana.
Tiɛ nkyɛn bɛhu sɛ sisi anim saa si anim na sɛ yɛbom a yɛbom adwuma deɛ dɔk adwuma deɛ ma adwuma
sɛ mede mu anaa wonim sɛ sɛbe na ɛyi ɛnyɛ baabi a na obi frɛ me a mekɔ
mate aseɛ paa
wofrɛ me no sɛ watwe me a na da kɔmeka sɛ meba sɛ ɛyɛ o
nokwasɛm paa nokwasɛm sɛ kwamu da hɔ bibia bɛyɛ fine dɔk politics ankasa yɛfrɛ no active politics no what invest wo sɛ either sɛ wo sponsor candidates bi mu sɛ wɔ mu so sika directly sika kɔ
ɛno deɛ sɛ wonim sɛ John sɛ bɛnyɛme na bɛka saa asɛm wei akyerɛ wonim saa nneɛma wei nyina dada
ba sɛ gya minima
sɛ kurom adeɛ menim obi a wonnim sɛ sɛbe no yɛwura politics ma university wɔ ma for long time
both MBP and DC nyina
sɛ wohu sɛ ɛduru baabi no ɔho asantema mu ha no yɛnya adwene bi sɛ yɛ party ne MPP ɛnɛ na nneɛma ɛsesa ama ɛnɛ no most of the businessmen and mpanimfoɔ bebree almost shifted adwene na the mindset no asesa because of nneɛma bi nti yɛhu no sɛ party no ɛwɔ sɛ wotie deɛ ɔne w'idea anaasɛ deɛ ɔne w'adwene kɔ sɛ ɔmfa ho sɛ first na ɛbɛyɛ sɛ meyɛ asantene nti madeɛ makoma nyinaa yɛ MPP na atwam sɛ sɛ akoma no yɛbɛtumi de ama NDC ɛna yɛbɛtumi de ama MPP ɛgyina de obiara yɛ ɛbɛboa nipa no so
nti 2024 na yɛ true sɛ ɔde wakoma NDC
2025 na sɛ meka no happen wote asɛ na me nana kwase anyam da na sɛ kyɛ sɛ wo na obi akɔda koko na aduru baabi na ɔse sɛ befa adwene na yɛ bɔbra na wodi nipa no akyi nti ɛduru baabi a ɔhwɛ baabi a ɛbɛboa no ɛwo sɛ bɛdeɛ da biara megyina baabi a megyina sɛ memeyɛ floating voter mentimi nka sɛ meyɛ MPP ni ɛna mentimi nka sɛ meyɛ NDC ni for now a metene mu no deɛ mahu ebi nsi da
ba sɛ ɛto aba wie deɛ woda so wadwe da so NDC ana
sɛ seesei no deɛ mfaso a manya wo mu no mɛtumi aka sɛ for now no mewɔ hɔ wote asɛ eti sɛ ɔmo nso bɛyɛ ade a anaasɛ MPP nso bɛyɛ adeɛ bi a wosa baka sɛ madwene no memfa nyɛ baako dabi ɛna mensuo so sɛ meka wote asɛ ɛna first na ne yɛwɔ idea bi sɛ woyɛ MPP ne na obi hu sɛ woyɛ NDC ni a NDC ni ba ɔbɛba bɛgu adwuma no ɛnɛ yɛ nyina ne ɛna nka yɛ nyina ne yɛbɛwu nokorɛ
ba sɛ last time na woka sɛ ɔmo tata wadwuma wone obi angu
deɛ meka ne sɛ saa idea ne saa perception na ne wɔ hɔ no a sɛ wo no a wobɛdi me so no anaasɛ woyɛ aban a wote so no a wɔsɛ woboa me ma bɛdwuma yɛyie na woboa me na mbɛka wo ho asɛm sɛ nyɛ ɛti bi a mefiri NDC kɔ MPP na MPP sɛ saa deɛ no ama yɛ nti ɔbɛwa bɛtaataa me ɛne yɛ nyinaa no ɛne ɔmbɛwu
boot for boot
paa nyɛ bɔne a wayɛ because ɔho sɛ ewiase no so onya atene so te ase because sɛ John wonam wɔ sisi a no sɛ bibi taa wɔkyi a wonim deɛ taa wɔkyi na aboa bi taa wɔkyi na mɛti ama wɔ a wosie ma bɔ wɔkyi mi wɔ bi adeɛ ne ntontom ti ma fa ma mmɔwɔ a adeɛ no wɔngu
obu hɔ nso a na ɔbɔ kofi obu hɔ nso a bɔna no nya
aboa no ɔtaa wɔ no ɔyɛ aboa bɔne a baabi a wɔsi ne bɔne a wɔdi ne sɛ woangagyi ne sɛ wobɔ no a wogyaa no wɔnya baabi fa bɔne foforɔ no ana wɔkɔdi ɛti wotaa bi no na abɔ no adeɛ no so taa wɔkyi ɛna wobɔ no nti wobɔ no ɛbɛka no ɛti wɔwia no aka kyerɛ sɛ menua bi a ɛnyɛ bɔ na mbɔ no ne ntontom taa wɔkyi nti sometimes no any kwan sɛ politicians no de saa bɔnefo sɛm no hyɛ ɔmu tirim sɛ because of sɛ obi yɛ adeɛ bi a woyɛ adeɛ nyɛ no akɔka nti na wotaataa businessman bi a ɔyɛ adwuma ɔhu sɛ Edru baby no yenia kra party na ageti e ho so eye party no eye MPP no o ka se drum re bi affiliation na be kan say na omo ma yokofo tata e na sa na nipa frefre ya why fine abana wo hyehyeye e wo adwuma mu se bia wo ye bibia na e wo se e bia oba ho ana so oto no safro na obusebusa questions bia na bibi enye bone by dru baby a ekwen nipa na be fa so aba no e no na yasem no onye se e fro se bra
say atata
eti bia me mfa na se obi ehun se Obibini abetra Akoma akoka asem binti eno to ofri Akoma no a na yasoba di pa aba no me sa na ma na de ene ma no smi because me no me hu ade bi a me metra wi ase se me ye deliberate na eno nti se bibi na enye na mabeka na no ya fa kwan bi so di harasso na sa na ma no enye fe esa na kuro no yentimi nchechire ma na enye yi so because ade bi obi aye bia na enye bia because o say owo timi ana wonye timi bi nti also odi hunu nipa e kan wa bra bo se
okay doc the entire me busa sa dey we say what mama tia say it's not about party seminar but do you believe say individuals also etimi move as in individual only the either NPP or NDC and also to me move say ni pay me trust them even though or political party with but me trusting the ideas no and I say as an individual me jini so betimi guide the lead am be etimi akoyeni and also to me move
o say me fan say ye business ye be nya trust wo MPP ema afi no trust ne be nya afi na say akoye hwemoda me fan say President Mama be hu businessman wa Santa region bro mo kasa e bibia wontimi anye kura ma obi kura no dollar na etimi ba from man ko 40 nye sika ye o mo transfer fa o le ma masa e breki bibia bia se obi tiatia mu a na o de aduane hye duma nti atemu no se aduane ro no nim ko ndi
kasa
nti most of the time no it's not about say bia aban no obetam sika bia hye obi nsem oh ti say ya na omu congress ni ne ma omu ye edu ba bia o sanse nti na be ma ye ma dwe say ke o say ye ni both NDC ni MPP penning for ne omu MPs ne whatever no ye no omu share because abato no moto no edu ba bia ni ye hu no say nipa we de enke no mu ne hia say nipa we ne hia say o say ke ne ba because of no more idea no yeni aye bobra ne adwene wu etirim ne niam ye hu bibi say se nipa we ba e betima boy enso be hu no ma ko fe nipa foforo yes
nti MPP di omutu na mu business owners na mu interest e wo mpa se nka na mu pu bi obedi ani
oh ba o kan okran na se wo hwa bontra 777 previous un se me no ene vice anante so many years vice e mini papa so Sadu Tabomia obi owo krom bi ani but this is not appropriate time for him to say obeba enipa obusa o ma bontra na o mo pe o mo nyina de na Ghana pe o mo no na nka o mo pe Canada so
based on mo baby am free ba na o kasa na se denti na original so kasa
oh eye say no yenye politicians eti de nkofo ka ne de o mo be ka kire na sabe me mikuta nipa what I say me nkuta nipa kura no metima ka say mikuta nipa more than 300 and something so I say 85 me na me nkwara akura wo dwuro na se bi o mo ka asema o mo di nkomo a me ti nkomo o mo di enipa a me kwa bontra o mo di nkomo a me te enti sabe no it's not about say bia me what I say
is about the what you of fam any dey mo so ba bia direction kana mo so
na bia me mfa ne say NDC for also kwa akoyi nipa me mfa ne say bia be matete say bia say asedi nketua nso pe party oh sometimes ya na omu hu no say sa parties no omu wo de omu po e no omu Ghana nso wo de omu pe What I say? Ebi a men fan say party ni betu pass din ketua pa ba. So what I say din ketua ba. Ontime win election. What I say? Ebi a ono no na dia nyame dia ma no say wo ye busua pani wo say hene.
Okay.
Yes. It is a wo ye nipa wo ye busua pani na say hene. Umpra konya. Ade a ono mi hu no say na dompa nyame dia ma no say wo say hene. Se bi a men fan say so no so akopre wo ya. Di one way a ade e be ma me kan say wo ya to ya. Ade e be ma one way a third force. Any independent be ba one will bit my film. Say NDC be you wrong. Not MPP be you wrong.
Now more business owners.
Oh, you push one.
I said the whole kind here. Sound as a me ya tell you.
Yeah, the aim push will be a do be battle. Yeah, an ideas na. Yeah, fa.
So does it mean say was car parties ni na no? And because more Ashanti Ghana business owners, the private sector, no could economy ni mu ye pa.
Yes.
There was a party no esheda penifo sheda shia mo jima dwinkyere say why ni emfa no mra one
best.
You think that there was a honey idea ni kyere.
But omo no dwene omo party no. It ye na sem no omo fan to omo ba no ma bepem. Enso de e kan ne wo. Ba omo mu yesa.
And you now the nanka usuzenka ken nanka say mumu by business e nanka musuzenka ona kedi animo. 90s so wana kamuzu.
Oh, enya se me na me hihwa amomo. But o se wo mo anka se tie form no de form ka.
Say MPP de o mawi is say akase ombeka bom na I ken ebeboa because they are ken so be say they will come. Obeboa na abem. And this de no munya nwi. Ehon na bi asabere wo ka ebe to mu ti.
I don't know because Drew baby politicians na ankasa na azo mo ye omo own enemies. Omo e come off so no omo call for us you know ya na you hu say ye fru ba komo ade e na omo prade. Sometimes say aware ko be jo aka jo say ware oba ba ko na no ngo manyina but ejapade na nkola ba ko na oba ba ko ma na chere ko antokoti it most of the time is not about say bia iti me hu say edu ba bia omo so ntie efom what you say na omo mfa omo party they say e bia NDC we ni epeno na MPP we ni epeno.
Also, my form.
I say, my form. So, I'm working underground. No more chef form. The uncle for count form. So, now you who can be fashion. Now,
third force. Who would you say I'm here? Third force beat me about.
I know na make us a third force. No, a bit my bar. The woman, and they say NDC be you will be a Ghana and pay. MPP for so you the Ghana and pay. A one a third force. No, a bit nipa or beba. Ene dia omo hu no say any power we no so no waye bibi so aboama ono so betimi ye de ne be yeye o say third force no shada ene eyi so ho alan so say nim do be bi
Evans say MPP and NDC ndio be demand so akopim say
oh eno the obi na obetima predators are there. Okay. Because bibia TV sesa.
Yeah.
And we are se bibia so wonem re. Enti mre ne maya en hu no say ade bi ntimi nyeye.
I see.
Enti bibia wonem re. Enti mre no so a bia almost be hu se Ghana for so se mo MPP ne NDC mo de adwene di agora. Then yenso be hu se be o se yenso enya kwase a. E ho na kwase agem da na beba.
I see. Me said yeah, why business as here why ye are calling pneumonia de noa. O my environment na a buying a create say also a supportive private sector. What can a year sem can near wasem taxes. Who is saying in this period, yeah. You say abandoned by where you COVID-19 and 11 other we see everywhere, but still I know minimum are so complaining say other taxes be on my said you must see I no minimum from all end said who the tax system now either say affect him or Juma, and I say a
Oh, say Ghana no say wo fa tax system ewo in the year business perspective. When fan say e won nkofo bi betre kurom wa na omu di twa bia every day bia saa time na wa adwen say sikeduro no de adwuma. Say na ye adwene pa na no de ye adwuma nya sika. Kofi na efom alatadwa. Alatafo betre kurom wa. Mfaso de ato na de so ye nkete but volumes na obenya no. Say wo de ade 10 series. Na nipa baako beto na onya 10 series. Na alata ni de 50 pesos ana 1 peso. Na onya nipa 1000. O quantify o scarcen onya scarcen a day. So until taxes no the moment taxes no o yire no ene na man confirm so dodge taxes. Until me hu say tax system no saban no ye no nkete na obie ema enipa ebetua tax no eye mwa ebe ya sense obayiri mama nipa kakra bi ehu no say omo na eye adwu obetua tax because ye ne ye hu ye say ye bie factory ye ne wo problem ba mason ne onam kwa ho plumber onam ho painter onam ho obi enwo kwan fa so ji o muska enso sabe eboa obeye adwu obe charge no enye yize so enti ni nyina no ultimate ntra advanced countries enye adwuma we mfa ho ni abra ho nye tax returns enso ye yi sa nkofo ni nyina afiri no enti amaye ne a ye tua tax no ye kakra bi enti abana ye budget ye no de ye budget enti onye na dwen se bi a oye ade bi a ono nipa a wonye ni bi da no afi na obe introduce when any bit my yes and
yeah
enti se ni nyina no ma plane amatas no anye ketenkete amanipa bebre ni anye
no mo so ni nyina
yes because most of the time no your advanced countries be krana so wutimi tua tax more krana your package grade mo e bi kra me mfa nse me industry ya me e bi ebetima hwe tax ho a me tua e ma aban no ebetima ma say okay aban Obibini wetime tua tax e bi this year say edibia ye boawa expand the business na ma with ebia low interest eyibi what I say anansa aban no kura fa car or de obo ye no for project no wa fa bi the aka no tua no bia low in one na nenye Kofi what de be na say eti tax na utua no incentives be ma wo say tax na utua eti e many penny nye say after all na perception kra na e wodi petinu say baby ahwe baby akofi be ye adwuma me ko ho 95 me ko Brema West 95 Kofi me dwi kwan sa futuro mu na me ko see be factory wonim say president Kofi ba no obeye gutters e de abogu so as to say na akase de gravels no begusa na say de quota na begusa no ene omu ja to na na do buy almost have started before so be free so ya o be started I said to get that president for year and say aye foforo egu so e de gravels no you know quota na begusa no o man say fa ngusu mo mu ja ma na say tutu eti who to tax na
now
yes ade na wo ye tax kese free no
na also say you kwan e
yes
I mean
so
that's something that's
go forward you say even the tax no crowd omutua for high na e dey aban dey mo no omunya so mfaso bia
no
obi atua oni ani je no odwane
doc nema me two questions na bia say common na e dey na we obviously Musa say political party financing said all kinds why bia both parties why idea lucrative say mfaso also so we a businessman na o finance political party campaign because I know say penny for ba ho campaign time penny for ba ho my scanning for campaign both parties NDC and people one kasakra confirm wa idea mfaso wo so
un say yenye mfa nye bibia yenye emfa nye bibia on say me mfa ne say ade na me ye ne say John bia me de me hu kwan a me fa so abobra o what you say bia me de me hu kwan a me fa so abobra but abrabo no kan kono kese no agina ban na oba no secret it is bia enema wo se bitimi ye mani pa no bitimi nya mani pa nyina bia me hu no say okay aba we ba ne nsehye ne ne nema wo de tutu akọ bitimi aboa me nuanum bi so a ombeba it is so idea bi na me hu no say idea na wo de ba no ebeboa ama sebe mebunu no so etima komo ni na say etima abo mo abrabo na wo ba na me wo bi say okay why there na wo ye no the person me support so that say me enye bia ma obi kura na say bi betimi aban na betimi ye nsese na wo de ba na betimi abo
so it's not about wo
yeah
it's about be benefit direct
no it's not about
say about aban ba no
na omo no awo no omo ba na omo je o de opa ne ma na we ne power offering ground
say na no me kai oni ko che ba kwa kunya say ba ko hana no tie so friend on fa
yes and most of the time no me no ade a me hu politicians mo a me deposit a chair for years no say obi ye no ho say obi nimu no ni nipa bi nante a ya na me hwe ne sa o ja say you ni para wo wa yere no say won ne nante no masa uti anye ya ya ma kra ma ni gate ano grand sanko gira o yes ebi kura ni pa no kura hu kura na o chia wo no un say the body guys and you won't get chance. This is a new Nipano ayero so bra. It is a Nipana 1 year and turn any grana. We all so on the tones that didn't know. What do you mean your chance? You want to say me on person will be there chief fear chinis anemana. I don't have time for that. It's know the yeah, spend this car over. It's not about saying interesting thing.
Okay.
It's money ye
I see. Idea for you see omo jamahara as said in the and then you for yeah.
Oh man, bia say aban we buy there men te ho asem bia say obi ka say Jerry for harasu omo ne sa you for nsensem no men bi for now there obi an kan kire me so obi nso tia me na so nso a ye be ba be kan say there kan MPP there no there no there obi a me
ya da se pa ya da se minim de obeka twatro
oh there beka twatro ne say she say no Obibini Blackman you say jina na so
oh yes
emire bi do niema bi ha ma imfidie sese ne ade mo say obi a hu no say adwuma me ye nsuo ene nsa so ta say nsuo ne nsa na me ye he say that water na so aba abontene eti omo na omo hia that water say omo person de yo omo dwumadi bia no say no ya yire ho production na ekoso ya increase production and a purification system no so there only say no there makacho say eno ne ade a edam akon so say nsuo no kra me ye no me ye nsuo na ma na sayare a eno ne ade a wo me madwem nti nsuo no so e wo town bibia so koso e se ne ma na ma nyina yiye ama sabe there obi ahia na Obibini Blackman won so obenya ne kama
Doc, ya da se enchen so no said the kind so we na jejam gidi but me be fiache is it production about there is it me be juma so
on here so oba
all right let me for my try me 1 minute here me ba
empanimfo se so ma wi fi ko me hina ben a wo yira e wo dwabo ase eno nti na fi mu ni nyina no ye yi bosumi ye tosom ye nsa esi wo se Ghana man eno ne ye nam so adisua ya mamre ya manie enu ya bakose eno nti Akoma 87.9 FM afi Ghana man ne ye si be kan ya ho ye nyina ye mom ne ye ni na enye fo bosumi ye nsa ni de baako 11th March dwumadi a yɛato din sɛ Asanteman Speaks yɛde bɛbrɛw na bosome mmiɛnsa ne de ɛtɔ so du mmiɛnsa ne du9 no Ghana yɛ amammerɛ ne abakɔsɛm yɛ a yɛkeka abɔ mu a bɔni fɛn sɛ documentary yɛbɛyi de akyerɛw 21st March Akoma 87.9 FM in partnership with Ghana Tourism Authority and Center for National Culture Ashanti yɛka abom abogadataa ɛwɔ Cultural Center na kasaku ahodoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ du abɛhyia mu probia kyerɛ na amammerɛ ne kasa Mentani na fadeɛ sɛnea ɛtie ɛno na yɛto din sɛ Cultural Fest ɛda no pani bɛhwɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa mesi afei Ghana mant no Akoma FM yɛagye asi ɛna so yi sɛ woamfa ho amɔyɛ ne a wonni ma ne nyɛ wo de Akoma FM yɛsɛ woda yɛ akoma so ɛti ne yɛnka mmom yɛni Ghana mant yi na ɛnyɛ de na ɛnyɛ fɛ yɛaboafo a asɔ yɛasene ɛne Medimafo Herbal Hospital wɔtwea herbal powder grow fine herbal makes you grow fine Angel Rock Mixture ABA Herbal Clinic.
Right. Yes.
Akoma FM.
Enter rock, no, rock me. Rock me. Sisi, Bema, kona ye, so, sounds na, away, I think I took a Bema, Wapa, Angel Rock. Ura pharmacy shop, Eba shop, also per rock, Angel Rock.
Yes.
A product free Angel group of companies, Waba. 0244 186612. 0244-832286. And Angel Rock the no. Now, yeah, kind of sense. Yami Adoma Wednesday. The Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Ashanti Presbytery at the National Crusade 2026. We know Asanteman Temhani a day, but you know, we are Presbyterian team here. We a opportunity. Be an I will be went to Mount Kowe about the Jubilee Park. Yami Adoma Wednesday, 11th to 13th, Friday. That's it. 11th to 13th next week. Assembly making theme near Jesus Christ, our hope and refuge. Now, Penifo Kukudam neighbor Jumedi Yase. A special guest speaker, Reverend Eric Boche, and our friends who hosts Reverend Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwache, Onoye moderator of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, and Reverend David Abuaje Dankwaya Clark Edema, the General Assembly, Reverend Samuel Ahimaya Chairperson, Asante Presbytery, Reverend Dr. E.K. Saba, National Director, Mission and Evangelism. Tijumadi, you know, Baso Nyame Aduma next week. Now, on the 12th and the 13th, no, a leadership seminar, Baso, 9 to 12 p.m. Debia, and the street evangelism and health work, and the 14th March. 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now, the National Evangelism Launch, 15th March 2026, our Ramsey congregation.
Akoma FM.
So, I say, you Ebaso Live, or PCG television. Now, you to Foku Kudam, so Kesewa Kese, ACP Kofi Sapon, and Afi Christian Akomunano. Ebeba na omaba be tujum kama ediabua. Na adeba akonso American ye. Nyame adomo a mantie ewo mu ya no a ye Ghana month no dwumadi ahodo na evansinkum we ya we se eba so a
yes
ye shemu kena
nyame adomo a 11
yes
all businesses and doku baby
yeah
yi business owners ahodo so doku kan and santiman koso so afena nya spill over to Ghana,
and Ghana Investment Promotion Center, yes, GIPC4, yes, Investment Opportunity Mapping Project,
yes,
and Corporate Integrity Consult,
yes,
TV3, Akoma FM,
yes, your number
and all our regional partners,
yes.
And I feel so supporting free MTN Ghana,
yes,
into a tons of free kukudam, and the four said the dog cannot pay your near channel.
Radiance be live.
Yes,
say Bibiano ebe koso. Come. When to opportunity about
Dano President Behe.
Yes, over I'm Penny Behe. Live.
Someone penny for Kenya.
Yes,
we call direct.
Bunitunko.
Yes.
Santima Monfa Winko. We are behundi a year about Ashanti. Unyani see.
Dog Bekasa.
Intino. Siano Sumaye na Nami Adumuso 21st.
culture center.
Kumasi Cultural Festival.
Center for National Culture.
Yes.
Yes. You could did the
yes.
So they
are who
I didn't
so nti eno ye de tie no nti no she no so ma me so sponsor ya
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
119090
the pony the men sorry kura.
Dipo sorry ABA Herbal Clinic ewo kwada so gyina say market na ti wa wani hu asem fa call which my friend 0541565199 Grow Fine Herbal Tonic and so no yeah the natural cocoa na it makes you grow fine from 10244596532 Midima for Herbal Clinic ewo ebua kwa agogo ye ni aban school na hwe animo number na 0244774282 Ochia Herbal Powder why am I on Pemu Bomodin GB Ochiano be Juma Kama 0551
Akoma FM 87.9
Angel Rock Misha Ezukraimu Peredu Tua Oko offer number 0244186612 Ura Pharmacy Shop also per Angel Rock Misha Nibi Ze Ebasia Dog into no a free a Monday kono ya can't near the Yashas so soon a better soon a better because and one was here so
one year
yes indeed Document board
yes
Document board nice yeah fine yeah Sally bruh auntie
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
Martin can I sound in Canada Santim
me so say the first time I wish
I know the first time me bomb pies and Yakopon be mammy and domo the amani ni bina that she it's me tia mon pabom so muni wa ya boss and
yes and we here
and I'm sure so mama
I see
and that form so baby ejuma and I don't may share my story on how I'm a bakery egu here
I kan wa ha
Akoma FM 87.9
even say you contain a crowd their shoe being san or share na itimi survive for almost 1 year bonse man and that form I thought that any government policies in Kwana egu nyuma ye ne ye suban se Ghana for so gu nyuma because me be pe se me akoji aban bo and uni mentality Ghana for be brewo the fact that we be adwuma ne chese wuska ba me ka ne businessman be no de on wanga se sika heden e bi adwuma businessman be we bi adwuma bi a o bank loan bi o de heden ashima o de ya de no it is obana factory on machines ho akese obana ne o ma akese si ho na o se o we do ka akese o yesi to o china ni ne SMS me ne ye pede a ekro na abebo e na be wi ase na adwuma ni begu ono no de obese nya kwan foforo obema ne nsa akọ na no na aka wo ne wo ma ti yen hwe saade ni Ghana man ti yen sesa ya adwen research agenda no any kwan say government in kwan efesi ne ho so yet mamufuo so yen fa nto yen ho so say so bi bia adwuma ma ya enye na ne betimi bia adwuma ti de wanya ho wa bia adwuma no so yen som ne emo no eye mai na
tam no akan eye mai
na egu so egu ma o
and say obi agenda pa ni so oba be gu bia adwuma e bia adwuma ma baby o kono ura wa asi ni toka
ai bra me
madam ba ko frame on the on cross ohia wa yi bi
computers
also ohia computers bi na said the microphone but so monitor transaction bi e cost wa adwuma
oh okay
because I say on ohia microphone no
na bra me catch workers ne say me dem wo die me ya ne ma mon kan hu se adwuma na egu ne me say nya de me de be koma no mo na mu hia because obi no be bia adwuma sebi man that's na adwin ni fie yo de be bia adwuma and so obi be bia adwuma no na adwin na bobe wa wotin ye den ehun ne left and right una wo hia tibu no
wona hia sa adwin no so timu because na egu
now unim say e quiet to an extent say brave fee na me nya scam ne hand dan yo me koda madam for nchen for 3 months obi a me bia adwuma scam de be hand me dan kra no me nya
Oza Kofi ade wo won na de America che me ya ketu anya na say Yankopo ka se de nyame ehia na ye monidua se mo nyame hia obi a wo de ye wadwen se wo de na esie obefefe ekwan bia so on so adwena nyame de ama no no bia se enye ni na ho ofe nko no ohwe yo I will share nipa with me wakoma wakoma with the kute nipa any akoma with the nante fasusha. To say nipa no, the nipa will be a Ghana, the only me the can catch you say the juma is very expensive, and yet very expensive. You say, no, the board then say, won't even find pensionica. But the mindset, no, how say, with my trust will be 100%. So, a drew baby and nipa no cry na wo chere na de no ohun say ase o share
87.9 Kumasi.
what I say ba shana wo share nya shana wo share so ade na wo nim no wo na wo nim na wo chere no ene en kwala e o ma be o se bi kaka cho say obi o ko school course kura akoyo he ni CV ni ade a wo say nipa wo je adwuma ma no kro be tima ye enso nipa na bedru ya ye asem foforo so me ka say na enro as be na wotwene me dey on say most of the time we work the wife na na wa hwe ti if two ladies be na
Akoma FM 87.9
to mo buy no na bibusa ba ko aye adwuma so ye procurement na ba ko so ye dende Kofi counting a problem counting say ade 10 over record say 10 every time biano can't any mistake yes it is any power we no oh and na ono so hu no say wako screw onim dia oye it wo chere na ade no say ni no onim dia ne dia wakoja by experience ni ho but what the experience na man ono so hu no say a problem
87.9 Kumasi.
it Roman, education, I one way.
I see.
Genius crowd, and just any
American said,
I am one way. I am one way. Oh, the son of God will be a coelho.
Anyway, Sammy, maybe our man Kakrana and Koma, but Ghana at 69. In 69.
70 next year near or 70.
Now, technology, digital, how fire from Kakra, send a hunia, my baby. I said on a good
papa can Yakechi. So you Yakechi on your brain.
The same, I might try to import that unit.
And I said, Brad Anka.
No, can I saw the ABB?
Digital, there, result,
it's a modernization, you know. I don't know what the we say programming where you are production, so we programming.
Sure. And yes, me busha say me nima de kro. System no sa digital na the power say dey obi e fanya. Say digital na dey timi ye pa kese o mo ye expert is coming.
Eno na eno ye koye.
Eno de Ghana ni dey wonim say krono nko an adwuma dey nipa nim yo. Papa dey den.
Sami, yes, take me through.
My member digitalization or Ghana. Digitalization, yeah, bad concept I introduce into our economy. But yeah, share digitalization. I can classify no. Kwan do me no. Your digitalization for production and a digitalization yeah they share nipa subai.
Okay.
I prevent you almost say or mobile diboni and ombe the pa abo economy. It's my main chobi. Now, honorable Kennedy Japan can say time and no yeah more Ghana gas or the systems by now ubia obey late for office biano udru our system need to me capture time I'll obey juma now I prevent your man now usually office late no. Now that is digitalization yeah, they show you pan who's buying I preventing is obey the enye na a big good economy no. And that is it. And yeah, digitalization for production. It be and they say yeah, person 24-hour economy. Digitalization infrastructure ben ya lay down. A be boya it me ama ya den. Akoso. Into first time of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And on my lay that fiber optic cable. Ekusi Accra Digital Center. Or build a Accra Digital Center. So say then. A man mobuno mo pepes or mobisuan de. As you are by abef in the day. Now, Brian share Ghana declaration ye introduce ye no ye politicize no nti na ne pa na wo sen command ni nya ne ye nya ne obi si o the declaration aba na emom motive wo mu ye so be score political points nti ama enyoma na wo sen ka itimi ye no ye ntimi anye den anye bra ye share even quite cry fast register a Ghana card processes you go through and the minister say ye sim registration for west abe
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
ye be kwa ni asa be sisi another minister be ba be sa be ka che se be sa ye den aye ne foforo
Okay.
bra enne okọ SHS schools ye STEM schools ye schools a oboase sectech me ko ye inspection bra enyoma nkra ne ye wo ho no se nke me ni akọ ne ke akọbo o ma aka me gidi se mfidie bebree ye hwehwe free amanone aba beboa economy